They sound really neat. G'day folks, Pilot here again. I am back out in the field. I've just done this fabulous build. I thought I'd butcher up my Tyro 109. Got some HGR LRC 400 milliwatt VTX in there, Speedy B flight controller. I'll chuck the links below. The purpose of this video though folks is to have a fly with these awesome Velox motors I've been sent from TMOTOR. Really nice quality, super finish. Get these under your magnifying glass and have a look at the build of them. Fabulous. Really nice quality. These are the Velox version 3, the latest from TMOTOR. These are the 2207s. I've got them on my 5-inch, some Azure props, 1500 4S, really windy. Really keen just to fly this and see how it goes. I haven't flown it yet, so I'm not too sure how it's going to go. These motors on the bench sounded really good. I'm looking forward to seeing how they go. Thanks TMOTOR. Check out their website below. If you are into FPV, you would have heard about them already. And if you're not too sure about their V3 motors, yeah, have a hunt around their website. I'll leave all the links below and knock yourself out. Lots and lots of different colours and sizes to choose from. Really good stuff. Okay, let's get this bird in the sky and see how she flies around in this not so perfect windy day. Okay. So my camera is probably set back a bit too far in my 109 frame, so hence the picture, so I do apologise for that, but we will certainly get the idea. We'll have a listen to them. They sound really neat. Okay, let's go. Goggles are recording. As you can see on that frame there, you can see the 109 frame on the sides. Doesn't bother me though. Oh, have a listen to them. They sound aggressive. Really windy guys. I'm not going to be able to do too much, I don't think. Yeah, it's even too windy to take off. Certainly be a good motor test flying in this wind. Wait for it to go off and then we'll have a quick scoot. See how we go. I won't fly too far away in case something goes wrong. I do just want to have a little rip here to see how these motors perform. I'm hardly giving it. It's windy. I'm hardly giving it any stick. It is punching along nicely. Crikey. Yeah. I think these are going to be a really fast motor, folks. You can actually just hear it in them. They sound really good. TBS Crossfire 400 VTX, nothing outstanding. A little bit of a hover. I'm not too keen with this wind guys, I'm really fighting it. However, yep, nice punch, that's good. Beautiful, really smooth folks, lovely. Okay. There's power lines. I don't want to get too carried away. This, as I said, was its maiden flight, so I am just doing a little bit of problem solving as well, just making sure nothing's going to be going wrong with this. Let's just sneak over the other paddock and we'll do a quick flyby over those power lines. Oh, and over those power lines. Hello cows. And here we go. Beautiful, lovely and smooth. Okay. Alright, a bit of line of sight, really windy. These motors sound nice. Let's have a land. I did say a little bit windy, but yeah, the combination of these motors, the T-motor, the Azure props seem to combat it really well. On a better day we'll do some range tests and we'll do some more flying. You can see though, it sound really nice. Have a listen to them purr. Yeah, just purring away. Beautiful. She's windy. Some specs down below, a few links for you guys. And it flies really well. Oh, it's decent. T-motor, thanks very much. These are going to be a lot of fun, I can see that right now. Really smooth, plenty of punch too with the setup I have here. I do have a larger battery which I'm going to put on for the next flight when it's not so windy. I'm going to get somewhere a little bit more open, even though this is a big area. This thing eats it up really well. Good stuff, links down below guys, see you again soon. Thanks for your support. Without you clicking on that thumbs up, dropping me a comment, I wouldn't be able to keep making these videos. Lots of walk snell avatar gear coming, lots of HD Zero stuff coming as well, plus all my usual shenanigans and reviews. Smash on that thumbs up, smash on that bell, super appreciated guys. See you again soon. T-motor 2207, very nice. It's got a lot of fun now.